Learning Evidence 3, Juliana María Peña Suárez. Link of the survey. Screenshot of the survey carried out. Survey graphics. Survey analysis. The results of the survey regarding stress pointing out that the people between the range less and moderate are eager and nervous. The environment that stresses them the most is the war one, and the problems on this environment makes them have less performance with difficult to complete their tasks. We are going to do some exercise to reduce stress. 3 body exercise and 3 mental exercise. Body exercise. Relaxation techniques, deep breathing. One of the simplest ways to be relaxed is to practice deep breathing. Sit or lie down and put your hand over your stomach. Put your other hand on your head. Inhale slowly until you feel your stomach lights up as you're breathing. Exhale slowly, feeling your stomach descending. 2. Relax your neck. To start off, palm your head forward and backward, left and right. Then turn down your head as if you were doing circles with your nose. 3. Calm down the tension between your shoulders. Get up and get down your shoulders with a soft movement. One by time, alternately relax, then let your head fall down forward, as if your chin you would like to lie on your chest. Main exercise. The one main exercise is light up to candle. Section oils or lighting up an aromatic candle could help you to reduce the stress or anxiety. Some aromas are especially calming. Here you can see a list of aromas that calm down: lavender and roses. Check chewing gum. For an easy and fast appeasement of stress, try to check chewing gum. Research showed that people that chewed chewing gum had a heightened sense of wellness and less stress. Lawn. It's hard to feel anxiety when your lawn is good for your health, and there are a lot of ways that can help you out to free the stress, reduce your hours to stress, reduce the tension, and relax your muscles. Fence.